Hi everybody, it's Alex here from Depiqd. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad you found us. On the channel, we're talking about video production and video marketing, specifically for those people who maybe be new to those topics. Maybe you're a band or a business who doesn't quite understand it all, but wants to start using video, particularly maybe leveraging the power of YouTube for their business and their brand and generating really good powerful leads. But we're also talking about techniques and topics, so if you are already a video producer or a content creator, then hopefully there'll be lots of stuff for you here. I've been shooting and editing video content for businesses and brands for the last decade, and I've got lots of experience that I'd love to share with you, so please do join me by hitting the subscription button and checking out some of the videos. I'm also a Blackmagic DaVinci Resolve certified trainer, so I have lots of opportunity here for someone who has not used DaVinci Resolve before to help get you up to speed and running. Whether it's switching from another platform, starting from scratch, and you need some help and guidance on how to get the best out of DaVinci Resolve, then there'll be a lot of DaVinci Resolve featured here on the channel. So I'll leave you to it. I'll let you browse around and have a look at all the different video content that we've got available. It really means a lot to me that you're here, so thank you ever so much indeed. If you wanted to become a subscriber, I'd be incredibly grateful, so do hit that button if it's something that was of interest. Also, I love hearing from you, so please do make sure you put your comments below, and I'll try to get back to every single one. Thanks very much indeed.